Hi guys, in this video we'll be learning how to make chicken potato pottage. I'm sure you'd love this recipe once we're done. Let's check out the ingredients. Now the ingredients you'll need are chicken, garlic, we're going to mince the garlic, onion, we're going to chop that, fresh pepper, for this I'll be using habanero, salt to taste, curry powder, thyme, we'll be using seasoning, water, potato, Irish potatoes. Now for the veggies, we'll be needing green peas, carrots, green bell pepper, red bell pepper. Now let's get started. Now the first step is to place the chopped chicken in an empty pot. You add the garlic, onion, chopped onion, fresh pepper, for this I used habanero, salt to taste, curry powder, thyme, crushed seasoning, this is optional, and water. Mix to combine everything, then cover the pot and leave to cook for about 5 minutes. Once the 5 minutes is up, pour in the diced potatoes. Now you're going to chop some extra potato, but you won't dice it just the way the first set was diced. You just cut it into large chunks. Yes, you just add that into the pot. I'll tell you what we're going to use this for later on. We'll make use of those later on. Add the water, just enough to cover the contents of the pot. Then cover the pot and leave to cook on medium heat for about 15 minutes. Once the 15 minutes is up, transfer the large chunks, which we added earlier in the pot, into a separate bowl. Then mash or grind it. I prefer grinding it because it's easier and it's smoother. So to save time, I'll be grinding this. This will be used to thicken the pottage. So you grind it.
En dames en heren, this is Little Motherfucker.
And we're ready to add this into the pot. Once you're done, pour the potato mash into the pot and you mix. By now, you'd notice the pottage has thickened. So you mix that and now it's time to add the veggies to improve the flavor. So in goes the green peas, the carrots, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, then you mix. Mix everything together. Then cover and leave to simmer for 5 minutes on medium heat. And your chicken potato pottage is ready. Now we're going to try this. Yummy. Another one.
If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future posts. Until next time, bye-bye.